We begin here in Omaha, Nebraska at the home of Mary Caniglia. Let's step inside and see the results of their home safety renovations. So Mary, tell us about your experience with Kohll's RX home modifications.
From day one to the completion of the multiple projects, on a scale of 1 to 10, it's been a 20. Professionalism, work, respecting our individual environment, and I really appreciated it was the same team every day. From John Street to David Kohll, it was a very comforting experience.
It sounds like maybe they gave you some ideas along the way of how to make your vision a reality.
The Stairlift fulfilled what we wanted because, to me, quality of life is everything.
And that's probably reassuring to have someone call you right away as soon as you put in a request. How did you first hear about Kohll's or think to call us?
My parents, I would bring them to Kohll's for their influenza shots, for my father's cane, only because South Omaha people, he would gravitate to the Kohll's on Leavenworth Street, okay? So I knew that name, I knew the reputation.
So it began with the stairlift, and then from there, what were the next renovations?
The staircase happened because my husband has cancer of the bone. So getting up and down the staircase to his man cave was difficult. It was fearful for me because the risk for falls. He was hesitant to go down, but like I sew, he could spend hours down there, and physically he was being deprived of that. So that set in a degree of depression. And then, well, to hell with it, I'm going to go down there anyway, which upped that risk factor. So the staircase immensely improved his quality of life and freedom.
What were the next couple of renovations?
It was all at once, and Kohll's handled it very well. Doorways, this is a ranch house that was built in the early 60s. Doorways, entryways, extremely narrow. Doorways had to be widened. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 doorways widened for wheelchair because we're looking way down the road. I'm not going anywhere.
Right, you're staying in your home.
Right. Main outdated bathroom. Tub risk, getting in and out of, cramped, no ability to move around. So it was decided to gut that main bathroom to a no barrier, wheel in, walk in shower. And then the bathroom off the master bedroom, very, very small, very confining. Kohll's completely tore that out and put in one of those walk-in tubs. So we have the benefit of the walk-in tub in the one bathroom and the no barrier shower in the main bathroom.
The Caniglia's home was really special. It started out with a stair lift and then asked about a bathroom, and it just evolved from there. They were some of the easiest people to work with, but they had forethought. You know, the conditions were getting older and we're going to progress into less accessibility. Her husband is undergoing some treatments and stuff that widening the doors, we can get them in the bathroom. Then once we're in the bathroom, we can get them a walk-in tub, a roll-in shower, a heated toilet seat. It doesn't look industrial anymore. It looks fancy, designed to function and look good.
It doesn't look like a nursing home bathroom. It looks like a hotel bathroom. You wouldn't even think it's designed for getting older.
All of those renovations that I listed were done with safety and style in mind. And the crew, again, created an excellent balance for price, for teamwork, for continuity. They thought of safety features in those bathrooms that I hadn't thought of. Through VA, his care, he was asked about home safety. Do you feel safe in your home? Yes. Because he's ambulatory and dressing himself, OTPT stopped there. You know, he wasn't a candidate for active OT or PT. But there was no insight on the future mech. What health risk, what safety risk, what could we do to maintain and or improve his quality of care. That's the part of the puzzle that we were missing, that when I put that initial call out to Kohll's, yes, we can give you that help. We can give you some insight.
Home Modifications by Kohll's RX.
We're the best in the business.
No job too big or small.
Safe at home.